Today we're making bacon wrapped shrimp, and I have 12 shrimp over there, so I'm going to take 6 pieces of bacon off of here and slice them in half. We're only going to use half a piece of bacon for each piece of shrimp. I'm going to take just a little bit of this fatty edge off of there. That will flame up on the grill. And now we start to wrap. Got my skewers. Just going to take a piece of bacon, coming around and around. And then the skewers have been soaking in water. The grill's on low. The shrimp are going on. And leave this open so the bacon doesn't flare up. These are nice big shrimp. They are 21.26, which means there are between 21 and 26 shrimp to the pound. Time to sauce. Yeah, and yes, it does make the sticks messy. If you don't want to dunk, you can baste it. No big deal. Bacon wrapped shrimp.